I am deeply alarmed and concerned at recent reports, in particular over the last 24 hours, around a complete communications and internet blockout in Azad Kashmir. I make a direct plea to the Prime Minister of Pakistan and the Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir to immediately lift this communications and internet blockout. As chair of the all-party parliamentary group on Kashmir, I will also be raising these matters directly with the FCDO here and also the Pakistani High Commissioner. I would urge the governments of Pakistan and Azad Kashmir to resume table talk, negotiation, to resolve the surrounding issues around very reasonable demands. We need to respect human rights. We need to respect the reasonable demands of the group, and I urge everybody to get back to table talks.